Oh, hi guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. Look what I made. Are you guys excited as I am? Happy Halloween, everybody. Aren't these the cutest things ever? Aww, they're little witch hats. Well, this one is for like a, I did Crystal from Blvd Crochet's tutorial, and I did the one exactly as she did it. And this one I did smaller for a baby. And I have not put I haven't attached my braids yet. Because I don't have a hot glue gun, and I really don't think I want to do that. I think maybe what I'm going to do is, well, okay, so does everybody see? Whoops, look. Isn't that fantastic? Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is, whoops, okay. It's falling out anyway. I'm going to take the braid and inside the hat, here, let me put it on for you. There, isn't that cute? So there's your, I don't know if I have it right, but there's your Halloween hat. And this here is, look, it's bendable too. Like you can, you know, whoops, my thing fell out. But I think what I'm going to do is, oh, there's lots of noise, isn't there? I think I'm going to attach a button in here, and then, so you can take your braid, I'm gonna rig something up. Maybe an elastic, if I put an elastic around here, and then that way they're detachable, so you can wear your hat without, or, yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. Inside here, I'll attach a button, and then I'll put an elastic around here, so you can elastic your braids on. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, okay, so I'll hit stop, and I'll tell you more about it. Hang on. Who's that cat?
These.
Okay. Look, I got another cat. It's not my cat. We don't have any pets. Oh, this is a baby. This is so cute. Oh, look at the feet. Look at the feet. Look at the little feet. Hey, what are you doing? Meh. This cat, I don't know if it's a boy or girl. Oh, it's so precious. Say hi to everybody. Yeah, it's my neighbor's cat, and her name is Dee, and this is her cat. Oh, you are beautiful. Beautiful colors. Okay, I'll let you go. Bye-bye. Okay, hi guys. Okay. I came inside because, I don't know why, but, why is it today that I decided to film outside, and we have boats going by on the lake, we've got garbage trucks, we got, I don't know, cement, I don't know, we got trucks everywhere in my little community down here today. What is today? Today's Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020. So I hope you saw what I made outside. And yeah, so pretty damn cool, eh? And you know what? I've been like showing this off. I'm sorry if I've been pestering people on Instagram and my Facebook and Blvd's Facebook, because this is, okay, so this is Crystal's tutorial for, she's got, you know how she's got like big long names for things. I will put this in the description box below. I'm calling it the Easy Crochet Witch Hat, and it is by our one and only Crystal at Blvd Crochet. And guys, let me tell you, this is the easiest thing you will ever make in your life. No joking, this is so easy. As I say, if I can do it, you can do it. Okay, to everybody that's just tuning in to me and doesn't know who I am, I just started crocheting like a year ago or something. So yeah, I just want to say to the people that have been leaving me very nasty comments, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I annoy you, but and I'm sorry if I don't read patterns, and yeah, I should have gone there, but I did go there, right? Yeah. Anyway, I just been getting some comments, and it's like, you know what? If you're so advanced, go somewhere else. You don't need to watch me. Shouldn't have said that. I'm sorry, but I did. Anyway, this is just me and how this is my journey on how I'm learning to crochet. I haven't grasped patterns yet. I need tutorials. So I'm thankful to people like Crystal at Bag of Day Crochet who taught me how to crochet. And everybody else who is teaching me how to crochet. And I am slowly learning, inch by inch, project by project, how to read patterns. But I still need tutorials. And I'd probably be pumping out a lot more projects if I could read a pattern. I mean, yeah, if I could read a pattern, I'd be like pumping them out like that. But I can't. I can't. I need a tutorial to teach me. Anyway, that being said, I'm sorry to have gone off on that tangent. But anyway, just got some mean comments. Like, ooh, I'm not going there. Whatever. Okay. Either like me, you don't, whatever. This is my channel. My channel is all about Dear Diary, look what I made today. Dear Diary, look what I made today. And Dear Diary, look what I made. Actually, I made this one yesterday. I made this one this morning. And I made just for a little baby. I don't know if this is baby sized or not. Yeah, I'm thinking it might be. I'm thinking it might be a baby size. And like I said, you can, oh, I haven't sewn in my ends. I'm sorry about this one because I just got off there. But look, you can go like that with it. You can form it. So what you're doing is you are using, without giving too much away, you're using, I'm not going to give anything away except for what I used, and that you use two strands of yarn, 2 yarns together. But because, I'm sorry, I'm not that great, I don't know how to, when you have a ball of yarn, and you take yarn out of the outside, and then you also take it from the middle part, and you do it like that, 2 strands together. I can't. I'm not there yet, guys. I'm not there yet. Stay tuned, I may be there one day. But for me, I can't, because I'll just get into one big jumbled old mess. So what I did was I used that Debbie gifted me from her stash, Red Heart Super Saver in the color Neon Fleck. And I will put that in the description box, what I used. So this is how much I guess you don't know how much I started with, but this is what I have left. So if any lover can hold that up to the camera a little bit. And it's got all these flecks of color, like neon colors, like your yellows and your greens and your pinks and peaches, and yeah. And for my second strand, I just used that Sandy from Crochet sent to me the Herrschners worsted weight black yarn. So holding these 2 together, I obviously went through a ball. Yeah, that's what I did. So these are my hats. I'm totally in love with them, and like I said, I've been bragging everywhere, and I'm sorry if I'm annoying you. I'm just new to Instagram, and I don't really know how to use it. I don't know how to use it. Because I'm like a laptop girl. I lay on my couch and use my laptop. So I don't use my cell phone at all. I mean, at all. So to go on my you know, my cell phone and do the Instagram, which is where you should be doing it. Yeah, whatever. So I'm probably annoying the crap out of everybody. Yeah, so like I said outside, I haven't oh, and my pigtails that I did, I used paint box yarn in the color, I don't know, orange, bright orange. Yeah, I don't have the ball band for this anymore. So I just love it. This is like so quick and easy and simple, guys. And like I said, she hot glues hers on, but yeah, I think I'm going to tie an elastic around. I mean, it's already tied here. I already tied with yarn up here, hold it together. And that way it'll be detachable. So I'll sew a button on the inside, both insides, and then I'll take an elastic, and that way the person or me or whoever wants this can just loop the elastic around the button, right? I think that'll be my easy fix. Yeah, that'll be my easy fix, I think. Or hey, you know what? You can always just stick an elastic through here. Anyway, I don't have a hot glue gun. I think I had a couple, but I can't use them, guys. I think I had like a couple little ones, but I can't use them for some reason. I don't know, but I think these are great. Yeah, I totally love them, guys. Totally love them. And this one, I hope fits a baby. I don't know. Or a dog or a cat. Oh, I should have put this on the cat. Oh.
Too big.
Yeah, it's way too big for that little kitten. Yeah. But yeah, so cool, guys. Get her on your hook. I know a lot of people probably already have this on their hook, but I'm showing off mine, and I'm sorry. I'm just showing. This Lisa's little show and tell. So I'll let you guys all go. You guys all have a great weekend. And I used a 9mm hook because I didn't have a 10, and it worked out fabulous. And if you want it bigger, you just do more rows. So this one I followed exactly her tutorial that she said fits her daughter, and her daughter, I think she said, is 4 years old. But yeah. Yeah. Pretty cool, eh? Wait, let me shove that up. This is so cute. So what I'm going to do, I don't have any more orange, but I do have, and I don't have like a green, like this green, no. Like I don't have that. I like her vibrant green. I don't have any yarn like that. I think I might have yellow, and I do have, that aqua blue that Debbie gave me. So I think I'm going to do another one with the aqua blue braids. Anyway, that's my show and tell for today, guys. I hope you like it. So get this on your hook. Like I said, super duper easy peasy lemon squeezy. Easy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So everybody... Oh, I entered this in, everybody, Ricola, I'll link it below. Ricola's Crochet Corner has a Halloween Mal 2020. I posted some pictures in there, and I probably annoyed everybody in there with it too, and on her Instagram. Yeah. So, cool. Well, you can do whatever. Okay, thanks everybody. Everybody have a great week. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, sorry I got into it earlier. Anyway. Okay, are we saying bye? Bye. One more thing. The pumpkin that was sitting here on the table, I made this last year. And if I remember, I will put it in suggested video here. I made this pumpkin and I stuffed it. If you guys remember, I didn't have any stuffing, so I used, you know, plastic grocery bags to stuff it. Hey, nobody's playing with it, so that works, guys. If you don't have any stuffing, use, you know, plastic grocery bags. Stuff her in. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. And then this is I did another video where I did this one. That's my cup cozy that I entered in Ricola as well. It's not going to go on this one, but you get the drift, right? And I did a video on this as well. Okay, bye.